Welcome to this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, press the like button, and activate the bell, and let us leave you with an enjoyable watch. What does the corona infection mean again? Coronavirus. We have heard the last time for the possibility of returning the coronavirus again. But what this means is the same influence. The scientists in Hong Kong were told about the first case of Hiros Corona again. A 33-year-old man was injured in the coronavirus on the first time in March and the second time in August 2020 and attached specialists to the genetic serials it is normal to feel concerned about. This topic that thinks he will reduce the chances of getting rid of the pandemic, but on the contrary, the news is reassuring. Coronavirus. What does corona infection means a second time? Scientists believe that the immunity period of the virus ranges from 8 to 9 months and then there is a weak possibility of a second, although coronary viruses again is very common. Scientists are hard to determine the actual period of immunity earned after healing from the virus. Reports were not reports on corona's second back virus to the virus's genetic serials, which reduces its validity, but the second injury is expected and no need to worry. Our bodies are not becoming virility after healing from injury, but the recoverable person becomes unloaded. Placed in mind that our body cells are accepted by viruses and are imposed on them still exist and targeted. Coronaviruses. There are 3 chances of second infection with virus for recovered persons. The first possibility is that symptoms are more severe and exacerbate the patient's status. And the second possibility is to suffer the patient the same symptoms suffered in the first possibility is to improve the disease, and occurs when the patient is infected with 2 symmetries of the virus as in dengue fever, but so far has not noticed when coronavirus patients. In the second possibility, the patient is the same as the symptoms at twice, and is often the cause is the loss of the patient for memory cells or telescope any immune memory loss to prevent injury again. And this has often occurred if the body does not use antibody and cells to eliminate thousands. The third possibility is the infection but very light. And it is due to the validity of the immune system produced by counterfeits, and the response of the sultra-pipe cells, which continued even when the second injury. This is the meaning of the efficacy and duration of the herd immunity that depends on the arrival of the world to the largest number of benefits and mutations of the virus again. And this will protect the weak, so the vaccination against the disease is very important to stimulate immune response to the tide. And thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.